Merry Christmas!
This is one among the many Christmas of my more than 3 decades long stay in Saudi Arabia. As Christian and an ordinary expat employee, Christmas is like a normal working day or normal weekend where we go fishing to spend our time. Christmas is not an official national holiday in Saudi Arabia, meaning Christians must still go to work on Christmas Day. Some Christian expatriates celebrate Christmas privately within their homes or residential compounds. It is due to the public practice of non-Islamic religions being prohibited. The environment has become more tolerant in recent years, allowing for more open private celebrations. The shifting social landscape, driven by recent government reforms, has allowed for this greater degree of private observance and a more visible Christmas spirit in commercial spaces, though discretion is still common for many. Overall, the celebration is characterized by a blend of private adherence to personal traditions and a cautious enjoyment of the evolving, more tolerant atmosphere within the kingdom. Merry Christmas to all!